In this video, we are going to look at the spreadsheet reports. So spreadsheet is actually something like Excel, which runs inside EasyReports. Why we made this particular reporting format is many of our customers wanted to have reports which they could control, control the spacing, fonts in a very easy to use manner, especially like, when you want to make financial statements. So you want to have the flexibility of having, the columns and rows defined by you. So what we did was we integrated an Excel-like component inside EasyReports. You can have your balance sheet, you can have your schedules, like this is a pivot, an Excel pivot. So these, if you see, are certain KPIs and they are linked with formulas to the other sheets. And how spreadsheets work is you've got these base sheets which get populated automatically with data. So this data comes in from data models, and these sheets you cannot change the data, and then you can create whatever top sheets you want using pivots or formulas or any other Excel approach. And we've got the layout saving feature integrated in this. So you can have different layouts. So let's say if I want a layout where I want the budget for these three companies. So what I can do is I can just copy this. I can remove this content, right? And I can type in my budget figures and I can have the variance columns and I can save that as a budget versus actual layout. So spreadsheets give a lot of flexibility in terms of the reporting and the formatting. And while I'm showing you a financial report, you can actually build any sort of report with it. That's all for now. Thank you.